Hey there! So, you've got some Pi, and you're ready to take the next step, transferring it to your Bitget wallet. Maybe you're new to this whole crypto thing, or maybe you're just looking for a clear, step-by-step guide. Either way, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to transfer Pi to your Bitget wallet. And don't worry, I'll walk you through every single detail, so you'll feel like a pro by the end of this video. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about Pi. Pi is a relatively new cryptocurrency that's gained a lot of attention because of its unique approach to mining. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can mine Pi directly from your phone without draining your battery or using a ton of data. Cool, right? But here's the thing, Pi is still in its testnet phase, which means it's not yet tradable on most exchanges. However, you can still transfer it to a wallet like Bitget to prepare for when it becomes fully operational. Now, Bitget is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that supports a wide range of coins and tokens. It's known for its user-friendly interface and strong security features. So, transferring your Pi to Bitget is a smart move if you're planning to trade or hold it once it's fully launched. Alright, before we can transfer Pi, you'll need a Bitget wallet. If you don't have one yet, head over to the Bitget website or download the app from your app store. Once you're there, click on Sign Up and follow the steps to create your account. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra security. Once your account is set up, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard process for most exchanges, and it helps keep your account safe. Just follow the instructions, upload the required documents, and you'll be good to go in no time. Before you can transfer Pi, you'll need to make sure your wallet is fully set up. This includes verifying your identity within the Pi Network app. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and complete the KYC, Know Your Customer, process. It's straightforward, just follow the prompts and provide the necessary information. So, let's switch back to Bitget. Log into your Bitget account and navigate to the Wallet section, then click on Asset, then you will see the Add Funds option, click on the Add Funds, a Deposit Crypto option will be displayed, click on the Deposit Crypto. Search for Pi on the search bar. And Bitget will generate a wallet address for you. Copy this address, you'll need it in the next step. Alright, we're almost there. Go back to the Pi Network app and paste the Bitget wallet address into the Pay/Request option tab. Then Manually Add option will be shown, click on the Manually Add Wallet. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so you don't want to send your Pi to the wrong address. Next, enter the amount of Pi you want to transfer. You can send the entire balance or just a portion, it's up to you. Once you've entered the amount, review all the details to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, hit Send. The Pi Network will process your transaction, and you'll see a confirmation message once it's done. Depending on the network congestion, it might take a few minutes for the transaction to be completed. You can check the status of your transfer in the Pi Network app or on Bitget. Once the transfer is complete, head back to Bitget and check your wallet. You should see the Pi you just transferred reflected in your balance. If it's not showing up yet, don't worry, sometimes it takes a little while for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully transferred your Pi to Bitget. Now you're all set to trade or hold your Pi once it's fully launched. Now, I know that sometimes things don't go as smoothly as planned. So, let's talk about a few common issues you might run into and how to solve them. Issue 1, Pi isn't showing up in my Bitget wallet. If this happens, double-check the wallet address you used for the transfer. If the address was correct, it might just be a delay in the network. Give it some time, and if it still doesn't show up, reach out to Bitget's customer support. Issue 2, Pi isn't listed on Bitget yet. As I mentioned earlier, Pi is still in testnet, so it might not be supported by Bitget just yet. In that case, you'll need to wait until Pi is officially launched and listed on the exchange. Issue 3, I can't complete the KYC process on Pi Network. If you're having trouble with the KYC process, make sure you're providing clear and accurate information. If you're still stuck, reach out to Pi Network's support team for assistance. And that's it. You've just learned how to transfer Pi to your Bitget wallet. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident about managing your Pi. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, so stay curious and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!